Unlock the secrets to turning your clutter into cash. Discover how to sell on Facebook Marketplace like a pro and watch your profits soar. Whether you are clearing out your garage or launching a side hustle. So hey guys and welcome in this video where I will show you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into facebook.com. This is the homepage as you can see. You have just to sign up by writing your email address and your password, or you can also upload the application which is called Facebook. Then you sign up and you write your email address and your password, and if you already have an account you have just to log in and find your account by writing your password and your email address. So selling on Facebook Marketplace is a game changer for anyone looking to declutter or start a side hustle. In this video, we will dive into the ultimate tips for creating a catchy listings, setting competitive prices, and maximizing your reach. From choosing the right keywords to mastering negotiation tactics, we will cover everything you need to know to sell successfully. Stick around until the end for exclusive insights that could skyrocket your sales. So first of all, you have just to click over here and then you choose about marketplace, then you click over it. Once you do that, you will find this page as you can see. So we have here browse all notifications, inbox, buying and selling. Then we have also create new listing. So I will show you how you can do that about create your first product. Then we have location here, categories or let's say niches. For example, if you want something like clothing, I will click over it. We have here baby clothing, boys. You select the niche you want, for example Halloween costumes. We don't have that kind of that, so you search about women's, for example here, and you'll find that. Then you select the minimum price, the max price, conditions like if is it new, used or like new, the color also. Then we have other things to get what you want. So selling on Facebook Marketplace offers numerous benefits, including access to a vast audience of local buyers, making it easier to sell items quickly. The platform allows for seamless communication, enabling direct interactions with potential customers. Additionally, it's user-friendly and free to use, eliminating the need for listing fees found on other marketplaces, which tools to create Apple listings and options for sharing within local groups. Sellers can maximize visibility and increase their chances of successfully sales, all while fostering a sense of community. So first of all, you have just to click over create a new listing. We have here three choices you choose. If it's item for sale, create a single listing for one or more items to sell. You have your vehicle for sale, sell a car, van or other type of vehicle. You have property here for sale or rent, list a house or flat for sale or rent. I will select the first one. Then you will find this page. We have your listing preview. As you create your listing, you can preview how it will appear to others on Marketplace. So the first step, we have here limit reach. You are now able to create new listings at the moment. Limit how often sellers can post in an offer to build a better community for everyone. So if we have my account and you can add up to 110 photos, then you click over here and you select one or you select your products if you have one or two or three. Then you click over open. Then we have here required be as descriptive as possible. For example, you write your title. So before let's show you my products. We have here products. We have two products. So it shoes basketball, by the way. So about the title, I write shoes basketball. Then the price we have here $50. Category also context and collectible, arts and crafts, baby price and accessories, baby product, packs and luggage. We have books, films and face music, mobiles, phones and accessories, clothing, shoes and accessories. And we have also other things like clothing, shoes and accessories. I will select this one. Then we have here baby clothing and shoes, children's clothing and shoes, men's accessories, men's clothing, men's shoes, women's accessories, women's clothing, women's handbags, women's shoes. So by the way, this shoes it's for women and men, so I'll select men or women. For example, I'll select men's. We have here men So both sandals, slippers, athletic shoes. Of course, I will select this one. About condition, we have a new, used, like new, used, and good, used, and fair. So I'll select this one. Then we have men's shoe size. I'll select 9. About brand, I will write Nike. Then if we scroll down, we have activity here: aerobics, athleisure, basketball, dance, hiking, pilates, running, skateboarding, football, and other sports. So I'll select basketball, of course. Then we have here black and red for colors. Description, we have here new basketball shoes for hoopers. For example, here I write hoopers because basketball, like, it's just this word attracts people. So in description you can just write something that attracts people. So hoopers is someone that who mastering basketball as well. So I write it to attract people and try to sell products quickly. Hoopers, and I write type Kyrie Infinity, or you can just write Kyrie Irving 8. About availability, we have a list as single agent or list as a stock. So I write list as a stock, product tasks, then we have SKU here, Chambéry location, and also we have here meetup preference. Buyers will be able to see your preferences on your listing. Then we have public meetup here, meet in a public location, door pick up, door drop off. You have a post listing after it's been published. Add a step to post your listing after it's published to help you reach more potential buyers by turning it into an ad. Then we have hide from friends. This listing is still public, but will be hidden from your friends on Facebook and Messenger in most cases. No, I will just let it switch off. Then we have marketplace items are public and can be seen by anyone on or off Facebook. Items such as animals, drugs, weapons, counterfeit, and other items that infringe intellectual property are not allowed on marketplace. See our commerce policies. Then you click over next and you publish your product. So selling on Facebook Marketplace presents a unique opportunity to reach a broad audience while enjoying a straightforward and cost-effective selling experience. By leveraging its features and engaging with local buyers, you can turn unwanted items into cash and potentially goal-driven side businesses. Embrace the platform's potential and watch your sales flourish. So this is how it works with Facebook. You can just get started as soon as possible and you will earn money with that. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you guys in the next video.